the students sit when we are practice, when we are going to the left, and then we are reversing back. Sometimes size coming, it's coming different. I will tell you why. Guys, hope everyone is okay. I am in drum area practice. I want to say for those people, students, they are facing this problem on the drum. Sometimes they sit. When we are going to the park, left and right, and reversing to the back to the drum, our size become different. But we are when we stop, it's same size, but when we come back to the drum inside, become different. Okay, guys. So I want to say for those people, students, they are facing this problem about the drum area when they are going for test example. They said we are always practice left and right, same size, but when we go there it's different. I want to say for those people, yes, it's happened like this, because when you practice, sometime when you go left, you will not park correct on same position, between two drum, from the left or right. Sometimes you are waiting your car coming center to the drum. I know everybody wants car coming center exactly in drum, but it's happened. Sometimes you don't know what will happen. Your size, your car size coming near the drum, okay? So I'm not waiting always. I need to bring my car center. No, you have to practice on this strike I'm giving you. Always when you are coming near to drum, example, you need to fix from there. So you can use the strike, turn from if you are coming from left, so you can turn left, drum to the bumper, okay? You can turn. Don't wait for always I need to bring my car center. No, it's coming center, okay, but you have to park correct. So try the strike. I know, I'm sure it will help you, because when you are going for exam test area, if something happened like that, your car not coming center, it's coming near the ramp, at least you have idea to handle the problem, you know what I mean? So it's good for you to practice this way also. Don't always wait, I need to bring my car center. It's coming center, okay, but we need to park it correct. But you have to practice also in this way. I tell you, I am giving you the strike. It will help you, at least when you are there in the test area. Something happened to you like that, don't think, oh, what I can do now. No, you have already idea and experience to fix your car, and you handle the problem, and you can go you can go inside the drum out without touching anything, it will work, I know. Alright, guys, keep practice. Coming center, yes, but sometimes no. But also, at least you need to have this trike for something like emergency. When you are on exam, your car coming near to the drum, and then you don't know what to do. At least you have this this trike. You come near the drum, and then you stop like that, and steering full. But try don't enter the whole the bumper. The bumper. Don't. You can fix steering straight. Now go ahead. Kick. Good. Train, not center again, huh? But at least you fix it. Okay, that's good.
No, I'm pressure.
Your pressure, huh? Drink water.
It's like Why I cannot make it?
You can make it, you can. Are you thinking for something?
No.
Really?
It's like
Yeah, okay, go. Try again. I know you can make it. I'm sure. Yalla. This week we go for a test. Here we go again. Yalla, 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 yalla. أيوة أحلى كريكت. Okay. You see the drum from cave, the view there. Not center again. But at least you can fix it. When you have the bumper to drum, then no, you need to go back one step inside. Yep, and then you turn. That's it. You can handle it. It's okay. Okay, Shireen, one more time, one more time. I need your car center. But that is good for you, you know. When you are reached to near drum, at least you fix the problem.
but it's allowed like this.
Allowed, yes, of course. It's not allowed if you touch Mr. Drum. Okay? Yalla, try again, huh? No need to go out. Just go forward. You can try. Again. Yalla. Yalla, come on, before dark. Try. Keep trying. Give up. Yup. أحلى كريكت. Okay. Yep. Not exactly center, but it's okay. Nearly. One more step. I don't know why she didn't like. She liked to stuck with the drum. I don't know why. But the good thing she make it. You're okay. You're okay. It's not bad. Again, huh? Yalla again. Bismillah. Say Bismillah. Bismillah. Tayyibin. Yup. Shireen. Come. Okay. That's we call center. Let's see. That's خلاص, if you can fix the straight your steering, go ahead. Bismillah, mashallah. ايوه. Watch out. Left. ايوه. Again. Yalla again. Aywa. Before dark. Guys, always when you are top that side and you need very hard to bring your car center, this drum sometimes coming half, sometimes full. Okay, but if you come early, at least you have chance to fix. Not always center. Huh? Example now, she's coming back. Yeah, she's coming center now. It's okay. That's good. Sometimes coming center, yeah. Okay. Yes, you are okay. Right. But always when you are here, you need to fix before you are entering your car inside. You know? If you can ride smoothly, but yalla again, Shirin. We will not let you go until you fix everything.